Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, hello, hi, and welcome back to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. Guys, today we are going to see some 3 recipes which were prepared in online virtual classes with some special care kids in Oman. And these kids are special because they have more skills than any other normal person would do. And I would request you to watch the video till the end and see some amazing cooking done along with me. And the final outcome of this class was speechless.
Okay, we will start with muffins first. So to make the flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. We have the powdered sugar as well. So you add all the dry ingredients in a separate bowl where you have to sieve the flour. 2 to 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, and 3. So we'll sieve the dry ingredients. You're able to see the table, isn't it? Whisk it a little bit. Add the milk, the oil, vinegar. Just whisk this also. We'll add the dry ingredients. We will add that to our wet ingredient, okay? So this is called cut and fold method. For any cake, if you use this cut and fold method where you go round, you can see you go round around the bowl and you just give a cut. So we'll add little by little.
There should not be any lumps right now when we normally happens when we mix the wet and dry ingredients.
Yes.
The lumps will be formed to ensure that there are no lumps. We have to keep stirring with the spatula.
Yes, yes. If you have a stand mix or a hand mix, you can use that as well. The last batch of the flour. So you can see my batter, it is smooth now and it is proper consistency as well for the muffins which I am looking in for. Let's add the choco chips and let's mix it up. So I'm just going to scoop it. I'm going to put in the Okay, now what we are going to do is we are just gently going to give a tap and then put them in the oven. Okay? So the muffins, you can see, they are all done.
Very eager to taste.
So did you see what did I do just now?
Yes, yeah, you just go with the toothpick so that to know whether it is cooked or not.
Exactly. So you all should do that just to understand your muffins are done or not. So we need a nice clean bowl. Ingredients for the salad. Let me just quickly run through. So meanwhile you all are preparing. We need to have pre-boiled potatoes, pre-boiled corn and peas, lettuce. We need cucumbers, some freshly chopped parsley or coriander leaves is fine. Anything is fine. Lemon, grated carrot.
Okay. And in this, whatever ingredients, vegetables you have added, only baby corn and potato. Potatoes are boiled.
Baby corn, potatoes and corn and peas. I have corn and peas pre-boiled. Okay, so can we start now? hope everybody is ready.
Yeah, please, ma'am. Please start.
Okay, so first thing, we are going to make a Mexican salad. So you just need to add the yogurt and then olive oil, just a teaspoon now, tablespoon now. Here I am adding just around half a teaspoon of pepper powder. You can add as per your child's taste, less or more, however your child wishes. Less than a half a teaspoon of cumin. Whisk all this together well. To this we will add lemon. If you don't like much tangy, you can add only half lemon. But if you like your salad to be a little tangy, then you can add the whole lemon. It's up to you. Next is salt. Again, as per your taste, more or less. Salt. Now we are done with the seasoning to the yogurt. If you want, you can taste and see. In case if you want to add anything less or more, you can do that right now. Now we'll start adding the vegetables. So, grated carrot, boiled potatoes, we'll add the corn and the peas, cucumber, chopped capsicum, lettuce. I can
name few of them. Shaurya, Himansha,
some chopped spring onions.
Scrolling through my it's very nice.
So we have to mix. Can you see, right? I'm doing it.
Yes, yeah. We are able to see. I hope everyone is able to see. We need to just, keep shifting this, pinning up, alternating up this videos. Pinning up of the video.
Yeah. So there you go. I think the salad is all done. And
Vitamins, minerals. You can just tell, ma'am, because I'm not good at it. You can share what are all the ingredients.
some chopped
Nutrients.
coriander or parsley also.
ये तो है सर्दी में
A very little grated pepper with me.
Yes, it's looking fabulous.
रोशन सा कर दे ठिठुरती हथेली
To this, we will add oil first. Once the oil is heated up, we will add spring onion. Just mix the spring onion well. To this, we will add the vegetables. I'm starting with the beans, the slitted beans, along with some baby corn. If you don't have, it's okay. You can use whatever you have with you. Here I have some baby beets. These are baby beetroots, which I'm adding. You can add any vegetable of your choice. So no worries. Go ahead and add any vegetable of your choice. Grated carrot. You can see how colorful it's looking now.
Yes, very colorful.
It's only your choice of veggies. You choose the best.
Orange.
Yeah, now I have added capsicum. I'm using red one, the red bell pepper. You can use even yellow, green, any other capsicum. Some cabbage. Okay. Now to this, we will add soya sauce. What I have is a black pan, so I think.
Lot of color. It's good actually. Colored, we should have all colored vegetables. At one time we get all nutrients.
Add some pepper. See, you can add paprika powder, cayenne powder if you wish to. But since it's lockdown, I don't know if many of you have it or not. So I'm just going for a common ingredient, that is black pepper, which is easily available in your homes. Okay, now last we will add the boiled corn. So there my pasta. So you can see my pasta is mixed well. A nice colorful pasta is all ready for your lunch. So the whole family can sit and have some wonderful meal now. I'm sure you all would have boiled your pasta with salt. So I did not add salt at this point of time, because check on the salt and then you add. So everyone is able to see.
And garnish with parsley leaves also. No?
Yes, finely chopped parsley leaves you can garnish it.
Children are ready to show their dishes.
So these are my dishes. I hope you can see.
खो न जाएंगे तारे ज़मीं पर
कभी बातें जैसे दादी नानी, कभी चलके जैसे मम्मम पानी, कभी बन जाए